Okay, this is our fourth video, and really it's one of the most important videos that I've got for you right now because I get most all of my leads from this page right here. It deals with Facebook, and Facebook has so many people on it, and it's a social media network. So, you know, you're dealing with the people right up front and everything. When they request information from you on the groups that you post on, you're going to go to their page, their messaging, profile page, and click on messaging. Once in a while, people don't have that linked in to their page. You just message them back on the comments and let them know that I've got no way to send you a private message. So what you're going to do is you're going to send them the copy and paste messages that I've got right here. Go to their profile page, and one thing that I left out of here is really important that you do, because most people have alerts on their phones and everything these days from Facebook that will actually tell them when somebody responds to their message or responds to a comment that they make. So you want to make sure that after you send them this first message, which it says, "It's nice to meet you," copy and paste, let me know, and you can personalize that if you want. You can put down their name here, "It's nice to meet you," or whatever you want to do there. But as long as you put it in there and you tell them to get back with you when they if they want you to continue. Okay. Now, as soon as you do that and you post that first one, you're going to go back to the comments and you're going to reply to their comment in there. And you're going to write something like this here. In the reply, check your messages. And you put a little smiley face after it. And then you hit OK to send that reply to them. And while you're still on that page, you like their comment and you like your reply, because they're going to get 2 dings on their phone, and it's going to be alerting them that they've got that. Hopefully, I mean, it may or may not, but I know that this is the reason that we do it. Okay, so I wanted to add that to this right now and let you know that you need to do that. But I've got this and it works really well. Let me explain, and you copy and paste this stuff over and you tell them how the system's going to work, and it works for everybody. And would you like me to continue? Then you're looking at the start of my system online in this message. The great Tony Robbins said that if you want certain results and you see someone getting those results, and I have to correct that because I got a 5 in there, but I'll do that before I put this page back up there. But if you see them getting those results, copy them and get the same results. Plain and simple. Okay, follow my instructions. Let me and my system make you rich. Watch this video and put your info in the form on that page so you can get redirected to the next video. And you're going to insert your link in here. Preferably, you can go up to tinyurl.com and you can paste your link in there, and that's where it will actually send that in to them. Okay, so now the other thing that I wanted to mention here is if they aren't qualified, because they might not be able to get a ClickBank account or whatever, well, they're going to look on that page when they click on the first page, and it's going to open up the countries page, and that has more countries than it doesn't have on it, believe me. But there are some countries that we're dealing with on there as our friends that have like Nigeria or places like that. We can't do anything for them, but we can do one thing for them. We can send them to this link right here, and that's a free program that I offer, affiliate program. The people, if they market that as best they can and everything, and keep doing it with the affiliate link that I give them, they're going to make $62.50 anytime someone signs up and sends me $125. And if you want more information on that program as well, just contact me and let me know, and I will set it up for you as well. Okay, that's it. And as always, if you've got any questions or you want more information on that affiliate program, let me know. Thank you.